Hi everyone, so now I'm going to be swatching the palettes that I got in my August 2020 Slay Glam box, except for the Beauty Treats Blush and Go. I am going to resell this, so I'm not even going to open it. So the first thing I'll be swatching is the Butterfly Effect palette from Hikari. This is the packaging. So no mirror, that's fine, I usually don't use them anyways. And I'll be going row by row and down. So the first, yes, and there's that. This one is Vibe, then Sweetheart, then Venus, last one in that row is Fever, then there is Tempting, Fusion, and Designer. Again, this is Tempting, Fusion, ooh, I really like that color, and this is Designer. Wow, I don't know how I got, okay. Let's do that again. And this one's Designer. I really don't know what I was doing there. Anyways. Then the last one in that row is Suspicion. Next row has that really pretty purple, and I hope it does not disappoint. This is Doll, Energy, and Dashing. Last one in this row is Lore. Then go into the last row. This is Mirage, which was the one that I thought was a glitter, but it's just a really, really smooth, almost wet shimmer. It's really nice. Then there's Smoky, which is a nice black shimmer. And then Craze. So I really like that purple as well. And then the last color in here is Rage. And this is the Butterfly Effect palette from Hikari. Let's turn the light down so you can see the colors better. But that's what it looks like. Okay, now let's go into the Oakland Cosmetics Liquid Metal Eyeshadow Palette. This again. Here are the colors again. These ones are nice and soft, feel really creamy and nice. So this one is Royal Flush. This one's Cocoa, yeah. And this one is Glam. Ooh, those are amazing. Then there's Afterglow. Chronosphere. Oh, yeah. I knew I was gonna like that one. And Soot. And I really like that one as well. I did not swatch those very well, but that is all 6 of them. The green and blue are probably my favorite, and the first one, which is Royal Flush, can probably be used as a highlighter also. Then next is the Pier Cosmetics Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. Here's what they look like. Oh wait, okay, yeah. Wait, no? I don't know. I'm not sure on their names, but there's Dahlia, Glisten, Hawaii, and Coppermine. I think this is Dahlia. This is Hawaii. This one's Glisten. Oh wait, no. Dahlia, Glisten, Hawaii, and Coppermine. So, if I'm right on that, this is Dahlia, Glisten, Hawaii, and the last one is Coppermine. These feel nice also. I really like the Coppermine one. That's what they look like. And the last palette I'll be swatching is from Bombshell Cosmetics, and it is the Bold eyeshadow palette that they have. Again, this is what they look like. They're all shimmers. And there aren't any names for them, so I'm just going to go across. And these are the ones from Bombshell Cosmetics. These are slightly disappointing, kind of. I like the green and the blue the most. This one didn't show up very well, but it could probably be used as a highlighter. No, maybe, I don't know. It's not much reflect in it. But anyways, these are all the swatches from all the products, except for the blush product from the August 2020 slayglambox. But anyways, hope y'all have a great day. Bye. I'll do a try on with all of these at a later date. But anyways, again, have a great day or night.